Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Crickex promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we have Football Whispers. Here, you can sign up with Crickex to access various offers, including free 1,000, 5,000, or 6,000 credits, as well as the option to convert gift points to cash. To claim these offers, simply click on the Sign Up to Crickex button. This will allow you to register and take advantage of these promotions. Next, there's Telecom Asia. This website provides active bonuses that you can claim. By clicking on Claim Bonus, you'll be redirected to the website where you can sign up using the affiliate code provided. This code will enable you to receive your bonus upon registration. Lastly, we have Free Tips. On this site, you will find product information along with referral codes. Although there may not be a welcome bonus, you can still benefit from exclusive codes and promotions. The site also offers a guide on how to use the exclusive code provided. So that's basically how to get Crickex promo codes. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.